Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align table to bottom in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, open your Apple Keynote software, then open your Keynote presentation. Then firstly, open your table and firstly drag and select the table and then go to the arrange menu. Here you can see here are arrange menu, table or arrange. Now I am go arrange menu. Then here are align drop down menu. Here are many menu. Now you can see here are align drop down menu. Now click the drop down menu and you can see here are many align, left, center, right, top, middle. Now finally I find my bottom align. Now click this and this table are aligned to bottom. Now again click the drop down menu. Now firstly choose top and again select bottom. Now you can see align table to bottom in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.